Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a strongest fat burner. Very easy to make with a very few simple and powerful ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on high throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this boil for a minute. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidants known to help boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fights against bacteria and parasites. It can treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improve your digestion. Then goes in a bay leaf. Let this boil for a minute. Bay leaves are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium and manganese. They help in treating migraine. Bay leaves contain enzymes that helps to break down protein. It helps in digestion, thus helps in weight loss. Then add in a tablespoon of dry mint leaves. Let this boil for a minute. Just sun dry the fresh mint leaves for 2 to 3 hours in direct sunlight and our dry mint leaves should be ready. When the mint leaves are dry, they are more flavorful. They are rich in nutrients, improves irritable bowel syndrome, helps to relieve indigestion, improves cold symptoms, masks bad breath and aids to weight loss. Finally, add quarter teaspoon of green tea powder. Let this boil for a minute. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, protects your liver, boosts brain function, prevents from cancer, promotes heart health, helps to lose weight and it is very easy to prepare. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this strongest fat-coated drink is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredients. Now off the flame and let this rest for a minute. Now a healthy, strongest fat-coated drink is ready. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try the strongest fat-coated drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.